Farmer screws are designed for attaching sheet metal to wood or steel construction. Metalwell provides farmer screw with two different head shapes. Hex head is commonly used in roofing fixing. The second, more elegant option is farmer screw with oval-shaped head and Torx drive. We are using high-quality EPDM washers. They provide a tight clamping and consequently help to reduce a corrosion process. Our roofing screws are available in various RAL colors. Metalwell uses high-quality powder paint coating that reinforces corrosion and UV rays protection. It assures a better resistance to mechanical damages during the installation process. Our farmer screws are suitable for timber or steel substrate. If you have any questions about those items, please contact us. office@meta-well.com. Thank you for your attention.